everyone, welcome to my channel once again. So today we're gonna be making hair mayo or hair protein treatment. So we're gonna be doing this very quick, no wasting of time. So here today I'm gonna be using 2 eggs. Just crack your regular chicken egg into a bowl like this. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Welcome back, guys. Make sure you watch this video to the end to get all the information you need to know about this recipe. So, this is lemon juice. Here I put in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Here I'm using peanut oil. You can use peanut oil, you can use olive oil, you can use coconut oil. Just make do of any good oil that you have. So you can also blend this. Here I'm using a hand mixer. You can also use a blender to do this. It works very well. So as you are blending, you'll be adding oil. In total I use 2 cups of oil. This is this cup you are seeing right here is a quarter cup. And I used 4 of it. So just put your oil bit by bit until you get the right consistency. We don't want this thing to be running, we just want it like thick, and so this is exactly how we want it. We don't want it too runny, we just want it something that is thick but not too thick, as you can see like this. This is gonna make your hair grow, make your hair fuller, and it's going to strengthen your hair. So you're going to add, you'll be applying this to your hair bit by bit, section by section. Mind you, make sure your hair is well coated, just the way I'm doing it like this. Don't just start rubbing it anyhow on your hair. No, first of all, start from the damp part of your hair, cut a line, then massage thoroughly before you cut another line, just like that till you are done. Weave into your protective style and leave overnight, then rinse off the next morning. You can also use your shampoo and your regular conditioner. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.